Imran Khan, the former Prime Minister of Pakistan, has warned the country could face economic collapse if there isn't a general election soon. Mr. Khan was ousted in a vote of no confidence last April. Since then, he's pushed the government to bring the elections forward, but his critics say his efforts are adding to the country's economic problems. He spoke to the BBC's Caroline Davis.
The only way Pakistan could get economic stability is through free and fair elections. Free and fair elections where a government backed by a popular mandate, that's the beginning of getting economic stability.
But those elections are due to happen this year. What you are calling for is to have them earlier. What's the difference? It's just a few months, but the fact that you're doing this could cause further economic damage. Will you acknowledge that?
Actually, the damage has been done. It's only going to get worse. The longer this government stays, the worry in Pakistan is we could have a Sri Lanka type situation.
Would you bring people out to protest if you don't get the agenda that you want to happen?
We will do public rallies. Of course, we're already in an election year, so we will do our public rallies, which are, which is what political parties do.
There is still a threat hanging over you that you could be disqualified. What will you do if you are disqualified? There
is absolutely no case that can disqualify me.
You don't think it'll happen?
Well, they're trying their best because, I have so many court cases. They come up with, every other day there's a new case against me, and I keep appearances in courts.
What would you do? Who would run the party? How would this operate if you were disqualified?
Well, we'll cross the bridge when we come to it.
There will be an election this year at some point. How safe do you currently feel?
Well, I don't feel safe. The answer is no, I don't feel safe. The thing is, yes, I'll be a little bit more careful. I will have a bulletproof screen now giving, rallies, but I will have to, there's no question of me sitting inside. I will go out campaigning.
Mr. Khan, thank you very much.
Thank you.